Gavin, I'm the founder of Sales Market Fit. I help companies align their sales strategy and effort to how their target markets buy, basically lead their clients through their buying journey way faster than normal and have control and basically close more deals and increase revenue. I use it for conveying a differentiated point of view on certain topics. So as for instance, I've done this white paper, it's 8,000 words, but there's so many different subsections in there on how to create demand, how to treat lead gen like a strategy and not a task, how to differentiate yourself over the competition. So I use it to communicate a point either on my email list or I'm contacting them on LinkedIn through messaging and saying, hey, I'm running these webinars that might help you. So it's a value add. It's like a lead magnet, lead generator to try to get them into my world. Typically, if I could do a webinar, one or two people will either, become a qualified lead and want to talk about the program. So, it's a high return on it's a high ROI based on the effort of, 2 to 3 hours of putting the webinar together. The one I did the other day, don't sell, create demand. I've got 3 leads come through. Like one will be, which could be worth upwards of, $25,000. So it's a decent ROI. So I've run webinars in my previous roles and as sales leads and all that kind of stuff, head of growth for other companies. So I've used webinar platforms a lot, but they're always a little bit too expensive and hard to, they're just not easy. It just wasn't as easy. So I did have a look around for quite a few different platforms and WebinarNinja stood out on value for money, really.